Looking for a reliable Forex broker in the US? The options might seem limited, but here's the good news. You don't have to settle for high fees or clunky trading platforms. We have tested all the major US regulated brokers to find the ones that are actually delivering on what they promise. No complicated explanations, just straight talk about which brokers offer the best value for your money. Hey, I'm Andrew from FXEmpire.com. For over 13 years, we've been helping traders make better broker choices. Each year, our team tests more than 80 Forex brokers using our proven evaluation method, so you can find a broker that truly fits your trading style. In this video, we'll show you our top 3 Forex brokers for US traders. Each one is reliable and offers something unique. But before we dive into the list, let's quickly go over the key things you need to know when choosing a Forex broker in the States. And hey, if you're here just for the broker recommendations, no problem. Feel free to skip ahead using the chapters feature below. First things first, safety. You want your money to be protected, right? That's why in the US you should only trade with brokers regulated by the CFTC and registered with the NFA. Think of these agencies as the financial watchdogs that keep your money safe. What does it mean for you? These brokers undergo regular audits and must maintain at least 20 million in net capital. In short, they're financially stable and can't just vanish with your money. And trust me, this matters. We've seen too many traders get burnt by offshore brokers who lack proper oversight, mishandle client funds, and offer excessive leverage. For this list, we've only included brokers that are registered with the CFTC and NFA members. But having regulatory approval is just the starting point. We also assessed how financially solid these brokers are and how transparent they are with their clients. But here's the thing, even properly regulated brokers aren't all created equal. Another key factor in trading is fees. High fees can cut into your profits. So we open accounts with each broker and compare their fees against our industry averages, which we've developed by analyzing data across many brokers. We also checked out their selection of currency pairs, the quality of their trading platforms. For example, do they offer features like robust charting tools, diverse order types, alerts, and one-click trading? And finally, those nice extras like premium accounts with perks such as cash rebates and a dedicated account manager. Okay, now let's talk about the brokers that checked all the boxes. Our top pick for US Forex traders is Tasty FX, previously known as IGUS. Tasty FX is a part of the IG Group, a publicly traded company on the London Stock Exchange. It has been around since 1974 and shows one of the longest track records of stability in the industry. So what makes them special? Well, first off, you get access to over 80 Forex pairs. We are talking everything from major currencies to exotic ones. Their trading fees are competitive. Our live test showed an average spread of 0.8 pips on euro to US dollar with no commission. They also offer 50-to-1 leverage on major pairs, meaning you only need to put up 2% of your trade's value. But here's where Tasty FX really shines, their trading platform. We've tested dozens of platforms and their proprietary one is seriously impressive. It's user-friendly but packed with advanced features. You'll find robust charting, customizable workspaces, real-time sentiment data from 300,000 traders, great for spotting market trends, and Thomson Reuters news and trade ideas built right in. If you're into automated trading, they've got you covered with MT4 and Pro real-time options. Who's this broker best for? If you're trading bigger volumes, you'll love their cash rebates. We're talking up to 15% back. Swing traders and long-term investors will benefit too, thanks to their low swap fees and solid research tools, which make holding positions more cost-effective. One small heads up though, they charge a $15 fee for bank wire withdrawals. Not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. Next up is Plus 500, a global fintech company listed on the London Stock Exchange. Since 2008, they've grown to serve millions of clients in more than 50 countries, and you might recognize them as the sponsors of Chicago Bulls. Their recent US launch brings a sleek, modern trading platform to American traders. The web platform and mobile app are intuitive yet powerful, with popular features like customizable watch lists, trading directly from their chart, and live chat support. Here's what makes Plus 500 particularly interesting for US traders. They focus on futures contracts. You'll find 13 Forex futures alongside contracts for commodities, indices, interest rates, and crypto. Trading Forex futures is an excellent option for US traders as it offers lower barriers to entry. For example, day trading stocks in the US requires an account balance of at least $25,000, but this is not the case with futures. Plus 500 lets you start trading futures with just $100 and offers low intraday margin requirements for a diverse range of futures contracts. Trading costs are competitive too. The standard contract commission is only 89 cents. Plus, they offer an unlimited demo account so you can practice risk-free. Perfect for beginners looking to explore Forex futures trading. One drawback though, the platform doesn't support automated trading or backtesting strategies. Our third pick for US Forex traders is Oanda. The company was founded in 1996, has entities worldwide that are licensed by top-tier regulators, and is also a leading sponsor of the New York Red Bulls. Oanda offers 68 currency pairs and 8 cryptocurrencies, and there is no minimum deposit required to get started. In our live testing, the euro to US dollar spread averaged 1.4 pips, but you can access better rates with their Elite Trader account, which includes volume-based rebates. When it comes to platforms, Oanda impressed us with both the variety and quality. You can trade using TradingView, MT4, or their own platform and mobile app. Their proprietary platform stands out for its advanced charting tools, flexible order types, and real-time Dow Jones news integration. What really caught our attention were their unique analytical tools, position ratios. These are Oanda's proprietary indicators that give insights into the trading activity of their clients. Order Book is another unique tool which shows data on open positions and orders of all Oanda's clients for a given instrument, letting you see market sentiment in action. Heatmap. This tool highlights major market movers, which is useful for spotting volatile currencies with trading potential. And finally, trading signals and analysis. These include signals from AutoChartist and high-quality market insights from Market Pulse. To sum up, whether you're trading news, events, holding positions for days, or actively day trading, Oanda equips you with the tools to succeed. On the downside, keep in mind that Oanda charges a $10 monthly inactivity fee for accounts that have been dormant for 12 months. And there you have it, 3 top Forex brokers for US traders. Ready to get started? Click the link in the corner or in the description for exclusive offers for these brokers. Thanks for watching. Oh, and before you go, check out this video. YouTube thinks you'll find it interesting. I'll see you there.